You gotta show me something. Oh no, what is that?
I put it over there. It's stuck.
It's stuck.
I know it's stuck too.
We're the new proud owners of a Home Depot truck, aren't we? Because it's never leaving the yard. So yesterday we finished laying the rest of the stones. There was just like a few pieces that we had to make cuts for, like this one here and here, just to kind of fill in some bigger gaps. But for the most part, a lot of the stones were big enough and pieced together pretty nicely. So the next step is going to be to get the sand that goes in between all of the cracks, and then you wet it and that kind of seals it. And then after that, we are going to clean up this area, get rid of all of this, and then get up all the rest of the weeds and plant some grass seed. Also, we just got a notification that the sauna shipped and it's actually getting delivered tomorrow. So fingers crossed we could be installing the sauna this weekend.